Shawna. Welcome back to my channel. I am going to do another Stitch Fix unboxing today. I think the only thing I really asked for were black jeans. I'm still on the lookout for black jeans. My last box was kind of a dud. There wasn't anything terrible in it, but everything was really, I think, overpriced for what I was getting. Nothing was really special enough to spend those prices on it, and so I just sent it all back. I don't know if I've ever, maybe one other time, sent everything back. Like nothing was really salvageable. So I'm hoping that they made up for it today. I have quite a big box and I'm really looking forward to seeing what I got. So let's open it up and take a look. Okay, return envelope, the stylist card and prices, which we'll look at the end, but I'd like to see who my stylist is. It's been Rebecca. Oh no, it hasn't been Rebecca, it's been Alicia, and it's her again. Prices, and ooh, it looks like I got shoes. I haven't gotten shoes for ages. Aren't those cute? They're little green, like Bootie Keds, and they feel kind of rubbery. What do they say? Dream Shield Water and Stain Repellent. Huh, those are kind of fun and maybe kind of perfect for Seattle weather. And I like the olive green, so I'll try those on, see how they look. Oh, here's my bundle. Lots of great colors in there. Oh, I love navy, some gray. Looks like some jeans in there. Let's take a look. Okay, the first item is Market and Spruce. It's a pretty cute little navy lacy shirt. It looks really stretchy and soft. At first glance, I kind of think old lady, but maybe it's really cute and flattering on, so we'll give it a try. The next is Pink Clover, and it looks like just a plain gray sweater. I mean, nothing very special about it. It's like a heathered gray sweater. It's not particularly thick and it is soft, but so hopefully that is cute on as well. The next is, oh, this is fun. It's a navy jacket, and this is by Market and Spruce as well. And this is kind of fun. I don't know what you would call it, but it's a nice canvas jacket. And I've discovered recently that I have tons of gray jackets. I don't know when I got so many gray jackets, but it would be kind of nice to be able to mix it up. And I do love navy, and this has a nice stretch to it, so I bet it is really fun on. All right, I'll try that on. And then the last thing is not exactly what I asked for. It's some jeans. It looks like jeggings. They're very stretchy, and they have like super elasticy band. They're by Pistola, and I do have a pair of white Pistolas that I really like, so maybe these are super cute on. All right, let's go try them on. Okay, here is the first outfit. And my stylist did really kind of put an outfit together. I read her style card or note, and she said she tried to find me a pair of black jeans, but just couldn't find anything that was going to work. So she apologized. She just couldn't find anything, which fair enough. I'd rather her send nothing than something that she didn't think I'll like. So that's nice. Okay, so this outfit. The first thing, the jacket. And I think it's really cute. Again, it's navy. It's real stretchy, but has like some structure to it. It's real cute, I think. Something different. It's not too long, but it's not too short. I think this would be a really cute thing. I mean, I have a sweater underneath it, and it's not too tight in the shoulders or anything, and it's stretchy, and the length is good in the arms. So the jacket is pretty good. I really like it. It's a fun style. Yeah, and it zips or buttons, or both. It only has these kind of pockets and none of these, which is a little bit sad. So I think this will depend on the price. Okay, the next thing is this gray sweater. And the gray sweater is cute. I think it goes well with the outfit. It's just a nice thin heather gray sweater with has a nice little cutout there. I mean, I think it's fun and flattering and cute. Is it anything that special? No, but it's probably something I'd wear a lot. Well, I'll just have to see what the price is to make a decision about this. Okay, now for the jeans. Now, at first I wasn't sure about them. I went to put them on and I was like, oh, these fit different than my other jeans. But I don't think that's a bad thing. I think they're kind of slimming through the hips. I like the little distressing and the fade that I have going on here. They're real stretchy and fun. I think the back looks good. They're cropped, which I don't know if I love them with these shoes, but they're pretty cute. Again, I don't think Pistolas are particularly inexpensive, so I'll have to check the price on these. But these are real fun and stretchy and cute, I think. Okay, the last thing are the boots, and they're pretty fun too. And I don't know if they're 100% my style or if I'd wear them a lot, but they're pretty fun. They're fun with the outfit. And she wrote in her note, I think these would be great for rainy weather, and they absolutely would be. So I think this is a win. Again, it depends on the price. Let me go try on the last shirt. I'll be right back. Okay, and here's the final shirt. And let me know what you think. Although I think the fit is great, I love the color, and I think it's flattering, I just don't know if I love this shirt. It seems very matronly to me. It's not really something I feel like I would wear very much. I don't know when I'd grab it. I wouldn't feel like particularly sassy wearing it, and it's not casual enough to just be casual in it. I don't know, you guys tell me if you think differently, and I don't know the price yet, but you do, so whether it'd be worth it anyways. It's very comfortable. It really has a different fabric in the back that's real stretchy, and so it's a really comfortable shirt. I'm just not sure I'd just be like, yeah, that shirt, I'm gonna feel good in that shirt today. I'm gonna be rocking it. This is my self-talk every morning when I get dressed, apparently. Okay, I do still really like these jeans though. I kind of like the shape they give, so we'll have to see the prices, so I'll be right back and we'll go over those. Okay, before we go into the prices, tell me what you think about this shirt. Okay, I like it. I get mixed reviews on it. I got it from Zara. It's like little puffy sleeves. It's a little bit short, but no belly. It's like at waist, and I just love it. If you haven't been into Zara, you should go check it out. You will walk in there and you're like, there is some weird in this place, and there is a lot of weird shit, but there are diamonds in there that I think are amazing. You should totally check it out. It's so fun, and I have found tons of stuff that I really thought was cool and different and fun, and it wasn't that overpriced. I mean, I don't think it was overpriced at all. I think it was reasonable. Okay, so let's go on to prices. But tell me what you think about it. Okay, so the Pistola jeans, as expected, $88. I knew they would be. It's fine. They're cute. I'll probably get them. The cargo jacket, ooh, $84. This is cute, and I definitely think it's worth $84. I just don't know if I really, really need it. It's super cute though. I like this a lot. And it's fun and different. I don't have anything like this, especially not in navy. Okay, oh, that one's gonna be a maybe pile. Okay, the Keds are $75. Are they worth $75? I have rubber boots. What do you think? They're fun. I don't know if I'd spend $75 on them. All right, maybe. Okay, the crochet top it wasn't my favorite, as you know. $58, not for me. Eh. Okay, and the last thing is the gray pullover. And this, although it is cute, it's $44, which is the cheapest thing in the box. It wasn't anything special either. See, this is where I'm getting stuck. Like, nothing is like I mean, I think the jeans are probably the best thing. I really like the jeans, and I'm willing to spend good money on jeans, so that's okay. But like the sweater's like, man, was this super wow? No. The blue shirt definitely wasn't. The jacket was really cute. I'm just not sure how much I need it. And I don't think the shoes were wow enough for $75. So this is kind of the second time with Stitch Fix that I was like, not too wowed. But then I can't complain too much because I do really like those jeans and they are a really great fit. So, and I thought everything was cute. So this wasn't a dud. I'm just starting to get this price value thing not really happening. So we're just going to have to make a decision. I know I'll at least get the jeans and probably the jacket too. I guess that's a decent box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. And if you wouldn't mind leaving a comment, let me know what you think. Thanks so much. Have a good one. Bye.